What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back. So if you're new, what's going on? How you doing? I hope you enjoy the video. And if you're returning, what's up? How you doing? Thank you for stopping by once again. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'll wait. I'll be patient. But I'm glad that you're here. So if you couldn't tell from the thumbnail, we're going to be reviewing the Woke pre-workout. And I've always had my eye on this particular one, but I was always scared to try it because I just be hearing that this is going to really get you what you need, okay? So I was finally brave enough and I got it. And the reason why I got it was because it was on sale at vitamin shops. So I didn't tell you that, but it was on sale, so I decided to buy it. So anyway, this bad boy right here is a high stimulant, and we just gonna see how it does. Now the flavor that I got was the Rocket Pop flavor, and in other pre-workouts, like I like to go for that flavor as well. Like I like watermelon, I like blue raspberry, blah 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 blah. But Rocket Pop is another favorite of mine. So let's get into the supplement facts. So all this stuff, if you're reading with me, I promise you, I ain't never heard it before, okay? This is the first time I'm ever putting something like this in my system. I'm just hoping it don't make me go crazy, okay? But the recommended dosage and directions, it says mix one well-rounded scoop of Woke into 6 to 8 ounces of water 15 to 30 minutes prior to physical activity. Due to its potency, we recommend taking no more than 1 scoop. Do not exceed 1 scoop in a 24-hour period. It's intended to be used by adults 18 plus. Keep out of reach of children. A must for experienced athletes. Oh, this is for some athletes? Bro. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this baby open and get right into it. So I'm gonna open this baby up. See, I did not forget you guys. I did not open it up without you guys. So, and how am I supposed to open this with nails on? I'm a savage. Oh, I did not expect this to be blue. Okay, so I finally got it open and it's a blue color. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. I mean, the powder looks powdery. Like, it looks like it'll be easy to mix. I mean, there's still like little clumps here and there that I can see. But me shaking it through, I know I'll be able to like mix it all up and it'll be fine from there. So that's what the pre-workout looks like. And honestly, I did not expect it to be blue. I thought it was gonna be like a pink color, red color. That's what I thought. So what I have to do is find the scooper, and I gotta dig my hand into this because I don't know where it's at. But that's a good thing. It means that it was untouched. I mean, I seen that the lid was off. I seen that the packaging was still on, so no biggie there. But they got this big old thing in it. Oh, please don't make a mess. Oh no. Oof, oof, oof. Making a mess, making a mess, making a mess. It's not right there. Gotta. Why? Okay. Oh, the scoop is not even that big either. Like, look at the mess that I'm making. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm just gonna take a scoop. And guess what, guys? I got a new shaker bottle, but don't tell my mother because she think I already got enough, and you can never have too many shaker bottles. I gotta clean this table up because it's looking crazy. But anyway, I got a new one so you guys can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get some water and I'm gonna pour 8 ounces of water into here. I'm not gonna use body armor today because I want some nice cold water because it's hot outside. So today's gonna be one of those days where I'm gonna have some cold water. So here it is. I'm gonna go pour 8 ounces of water in here. Okay, so I got my 8 ounces here. I'm gonna take a full scoop because that's just how I do, okay? Any excess, I'm just gonna tap it in back into the packaging, and I'm just gonna dump it in here. Okay, that took a second. Oof. So now it's like dissolving itself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake this baby up, and then I'm gonna taste it for you guys to let you know how I think of it. One thing I'm noticing as I shake it up, there's still like the pre-workout is still forming on the bottom. So this is gonna have to shake it up. Huh, that is pretty different. I've never seen pre-workout do this. But then maybe because I've never used a clear one, I've always had a colored one, so possibilities. But anyway, I mean, whatever. I'm gonna drink it, and then this is how it looks. So pretty blue color, I like it. Ooh, hold up, wait a minute. Ooh, oh yeah. Kool-Aid man, this is good. This is really good. Who told you to be that good? Dang, I can only have one scoop. Why do I always do this with pre-workout? Bruh, that was so good. Do I have to put this back in there? Ooh, I'm just making a mess. So you guys know how I do. If you are returning, if you're new, I like to wait until the pre-workout kicks in, and I let you guys know how I feel, what it's doing to my body once it kicks in. And then I go workout, and I let you guys know how I feel after my workout. Aftertaste, the aftertaste is not bad. It does have a slight aftertaste. What it tastes like, to me it has like a chalky aftertaste, but it's not bad. It's not gonna make you feel like ill or anything like that. To me, it's a bearable aftertaste. Literally, it doesn't like make your taste buds feel like you're gonna gag or anything. So you should be all set. Again, it gives me like a little chalk taste, and it's tart. When I be explaining stuff, I really hope it be making sense. If it be making sense, let me know down in the comments below. And if it doesn't make sense, let me know what more you want me to say. That way I know for next time how to describe something to you guys, because I want to be informative as much as possible. That way it's informative to you and it helps you know exactly what I'm talking about. So let me know down in the comments below. I'm gonna let this kick in, do its thing, and then I'll let you guys know how I'm feeling, and we will go from there. So see you soon. Hey y'all, so I'm back and the pre-workout has kicked in, okay? So what was pretty different for me is the fact that usually I feel it in my legs first and then it travels up, but this way it seems like I felt it like in my ears first and it's traveling down. So now I'm starting to feel it in my arms. I don't know if y'all can see the hair sticking up on my arms, but it's go time. It's kind of getting into my legs. I feel it in my thighs, I feel it in my glutes. So it's definitely like traveling down. So that's very different from what I'm used to. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, get my workout in, and we will go from there, and I will let you guys know how I felt overall using that pre-workout. So be back. So just a little update. I'm feeling pretty good. The pre-workout did help me a little bit in my workout. I still feel it in my system. Do I feel like I can go anymore? No, I don't feel like I can go anymore. I'm gonna try to finish doing a little something that I didn't have planned, just to see how my body reacts to that. So yeah, I'll give y'all a final update when I get back in the house. I'm back with my final thoughts on the pre-workout. So the pre-workout did taste really good. It did help me get through my workout. Would I keep it in rotation? Yes, I would, because it tastes really good. And I do feel like it did help me. Like, it gave me that pump that I needed. I was focused. I didn't let anything distract me that was around me. Do I feel like I could have went longer if I had something else? I definitely feel like other pre-workouts have gave me that I could go for hours feeling. This one made me feel like I could use it just for the time. So although it was pretty good, it did give me what I needed for my workout. It didn't give me that prolonged feeling that I wanted. So once again, like, I'll probably have it like on a heavy lifting day or a resistant band day or something like that, just to see how it is. Bruh, that's the problem with being outside. Like, if y'all seen a little bugger fly, it's gonna die. But anyway, so yeah, that's how I feel about the pre-workout. I'll definitely give it another go just to see how I feel. I haven't had pre-workout in a few days, just because I wanted to give this one a try after not having pre-workout for a couple of days. And then using that one, I feel like my body could, well, I feel like the pre-workout should have did more than what it did. But, you know, that's okay. I still liked it. The taste was really good, and it did give me what I need for the time being. So if you have ever tried that pre-workout, please let me know down in the comments below which flavor you tried, if you tried that particular one that I showed you guys. And if you had tried this company at all before, let me know which supplements you have used when you tried that company's products. So I hope this review was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know anything else you guys want me to try, and anything else you want to see on my videos. So I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and taking care of yourselves. And until next time, I'll do what? I'll talk to you later.